Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to create a program that will run a script off my desktop. I've already created the script here on my desktop and this is the script. So let's get into it, shall we? So what we're going to do, we're going to create a subroutine called run script. Okay, and we need to create a path to this script. So that's going to be my scalar path is equal to C users mark desktop. Now this is my path, it won't be your path, so you're going to have to find out your particular path on your computer. So change directory to path. Okay, and then we're going to create something. Print let's say run script. We're going to have a yes or no. Okay, so we're going to give the user the option to run the script. Okay, so we're going to create a variable. My scalar run is equal to standard input. This is where we get the input from the user. Chomp scalar run. Okay, so we're going to go on to the conditional here. So if scalar run is equal to y, which is yes, then we're going to do something. We're just going to run the script, aren't we? So we'll let the user know. By printing running script. And then we execute the script using system, and that's going to be the name of the script in there, which is going to be script 1. Oh, it's going to be Perl script 1.pl. Okay, else if the user types in no, we can say goodbye to them. Print bye, and kind of like exit the program. Okay, so there we go. So what I'm going to do now is go down here, run script, save it, and let's go and try and run it, shall we? So run script, yes or no. I'm going to go for yes. Okay, so there we go, running script. This is a Perl script you've just started. Okay, let's try no option on here. So we type in N. Bye bye. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that short little example, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.